Alright, how to install cushion brackets the easy way. You see, so the first thing, of course, I put that's a new panel on the back over there. So the first thing I did was to find where does this sits here. So I figured it out that, see, that bracket sits right on the end of that over there. So it would be in the middle of this piece and on the very end over there. So I put a little bit of grease on each one of them, put the mark over there, made my center line extending a little down, a little sideways to be my guide. Now I can clean that grease out of there, and this bracket is gonna go right there like this. Bam! Easy peasy, 2 seconds, no measuring, nothing. You know, these cushions are gonna get replaced very soon. But yeah, see, that's how you do it. Very easily, very quickly. Another tip for you guys.